Get started with Photoshop tutorials that teach you the basic tools and techniques of Adobe Photoshop. This tutorial introduces you to the Photoshop different color modes. Photoshop. Photoshop is the most powerful image editing software. It is developed by Adobe systems for Mac OS and Windows. The color mode or image mode determines how colors combine based on the number of channels in a color model. Different color modes in Photoshop: Bitmap, Grayscale, Rgb Color, Cmyk Color, Lab Mode. You can choose the color model when you start the new project. Bitmap. The Bitmap color mode only uses black and white to build an image. Because it doesn't use gray tones, images often look rough and granulated. Grayscale mode uses different shades of gray in an image. Every pixel gets a brightness value ranging from 0 to 255, white to black. Grayscale values can also be measured as percentages of black ink. Rgb Color Mode uses 3 colors to reproduce colors on screens. It's a standard Photoshop color mode and the most important one for photographers. Cmyk Color Mode is based on the use of inks. Photoshop assigns a percentage of ink to each pixel. Light colors are assigned small percentages of ink and darker colors higher percentages. Use Cmyk mode when working with images you want to print. Lab mode is a special one. It's based on how humans see colors. The values in lab color represent the colors a person with normal vision can see. The lab is a device-independent color model because it describes how a color looks. The other models describe how much you need of a particular colorant or what the value of a pixel is. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.